Student, today we are going to learn how to solve this capacitance problem. Actually, it is two parallel lines is representing as a capacitance. Okay, so this problem we are going to learn how to find the total capacitance. So net capacitance value. Okay, and what is charge? Energy is stored. What is the energy stored in this of overall capacitor? Okay, and also what is the net charge stored in this capacitor. Three terms we are going to see. One is a charge, another one is a energy, another one is a total effective capacitance. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so we need to know how to solve from series and parallel. First, it's here capacitor is connected in mixed. It is in a series, parallel, all the ways is connected. Okay, first I'm going to teach you what is a formula for capacitance in series. 1 by CS series, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay, it is in case parallel, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. Parallel, it's a C1 plus C2. Okay, series is a 1 by C1 is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so see here, first I am going to do with the very small thing. It is this two in series I found, that I am going to solve. Okay, so series, so 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, this two in series, that only I am going to find first. Okay, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so it is 1 by Cp is equal to 1 by Cp is 1 by Cs is equal to 1 divided by C1. C1 is a 2 microfarad. Okay, 2 microfarad, micro is a 10 power minus 6. Okay, 1 divided by 2 microfarad. Okay, so we'll take it xx, it is 2x, so 2 divided by 2 microfarad, 1 by Cs, so 2 to get cancelled. So Cs, capacitance in series, will be the 1 microfarad. So the answer for this two solution answer is 1 microfarad. Okay, so our circuit is going to modify. So because we found this two solution, okay, our circuit is going to modify like this. So battery we have, then here one capacitor, here we have another capacitor, same circuit. Okay, I did the solution for only two capacitance. Okay, so this going to become as a single capacitors. Okay, so this value, this two solution we got as a 1 microfarad. So this value is a 1 microfarad. Okay, and this value is a 1 microfarad, and this value is a 2 microfarad, and battery we applied is a 6-volt battery. So now I am finding what is the net value of the capacitor. First I am finding the total capacitance. Okay, this two in a parallel. Okay, so in parallel, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. So 1 plus 1 will get as a 2 microfarad. This two solution will get as a 2 microfarad. Okay, so again our circuit is going to modify with the different way that I am going to show you, because this two is, we found this two solution. Okay, it is a 2 microfarad. So now our circuit again we have here, it is a 6-volt battery. So here we have one capacitance, and here we have one more capacitance. Okay, this two we found as a solution. So now we got this value like this. You can draw slanting also, there is no problem, no issue. Okay, so it is a value of 2 microfarad, and it is a value of 2 microfarad, and it is a 1 microfarad, and it is a 6-volt battery. Now what is the solution between these two? Okay, so these two in a series, so series 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, that is called 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 microfarad plus 1 by 2 microfarad, 1 by Cs. So x 2x, so 2 divided by 2 will get as a 1 divided by Cs. Now Cs is equal to 1 microfarad. If you want to show identification, you can show the C dash before you can have the Cs or Cp, sorry, before where you had Cs. 1 minute, I'll show you. Here we add the Cs. Okay, so here also now again we are solving the series. Okay, if you want to show the difference, you can put the hyphen, so it's going to represent as a second place. Okay, this two solution I got as a 1 microfarad. Okay, again circuit is modified. So we have here it is a 1 microfarad, and here this two solution I got again, it is a 1 microfarad. This two solution again I got as a 1 microfarad. Okay, I applied the voltage as a 6-volt battery. So this two in a parallel. Okay, total Cp is equal to 1 plus 1, it is a 2 microfarad. So totally we got as a circuit, finally we got as a net value of total capacitance will be 2 microfarad. Okay, so we have one battery here and we have full total net value of the capacitance is 6 volt battery and it is a 2 microfarad. Okay, now we are going to find what is the energy and charge is produced, charge is stored in this capacitance, in this network. Okay, first we will find what is the energy. U is equal to of CV square. Okay, C is the capacitance, V is the voltage, so net voltage, net energy we are finding. Okay, so U is equal to of C net is 2 microfarad, so 2 into 10 power minus 6, micro is 10 power minus 6, so 10 power minus 6 V square, V is it is a 6, so 6 whole square, it's 36. Okay, 2 get cancelled, so 36, 6 square will be the 36 into 10 power minus 6 joules. Okay, so energy also I got. Okay, so I'll show here. So total capacitance value we got as 2 microfarad, so 2 microfarad. Total energy we got as a 36 into 10 power minus 6. So total energy is a 36 into 10 power minus 6 joules. Okay, now total charge Q is equal to CV. So Q net, C net, V net. Okay, so C net value is a 2 into 10 power minus 6, V is a 6. So we'll get as a 12. 10 power minus 6 is a micro, charge SI naught is a coulombs. So Q is equal to 12 microcoulombs. Okay, again I will repeat, C net value we got as it is 2 microfarad. Okay, and total energy stored in this capacitor, 36 into 10 power minus 6 joules. Okay, charge stored in this capacitor will be 12 microcoulombs. Okay, so this I found for total value. Okay, we can find each capacitance also. Here what is a charge, here what is a charge, each capacitance, that is going little complex. Okay, so this is a thing I will be conclude here. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.